Wag wanna get me opinionated peeps. Hope everybody is doing well. It's been a while since I've done any upload to this channel, but you don't know, the work must continue. So people, this young lady that you're seeing on the screen right now, she is clearly going through a situation and it has to relate with our very own mother. Now you know, she didn't really say exactly what our mother do, but boy, she is wishing for the worst for mommy, you know. And when it comes to family, sometime, boy, this is something I always say, you know, your very own family who is supposed to be there for you turns out to be your worst enemy in some cases. You understand? Majority of the time, your family are the one them where you really have to be in fear of. Now, whatever this young lady and her mother is facing or going through, it has to be something really rough for her to take to social media and say these things. Now, people, me I go make you take a listen to what this young lady is saying, and you know, just keep her in her prayers, cause she sounds like she is really going through something. Take a listen.
Sometimes I wonder if God answered my prayer. Yo, there's some wicked people in my life. Some wicked ass people. Yo, I never know one woman can be so fucking wicked. They always say, is enemy bring you down? It ain't enemy bring you down. It ain't enemy bring you down. It's your same mother. The mother that push you out of her. The same mother bring you down. It's your same mother. The woman that's supposed to be by your side to hold you up is the same one that bash you and chastise you and bring you down to the world. It's the same mother, the same woman that give you life, try to up your life. Some of y'all mother deserve some death. Some of y'all mother deserve some deserve some gunshot and some throat cut. Some man need to take y'all woman away and do some shit to y'all mothers. Trust me, y'all is some evil, yo. I don't know why God give me the mother that God give to me. It's the most evilest person on the face of the earth. My mother is the most evilest person on the face of the earth. Yo. And the day when I get the call saying she dead, the day when I get the call saying she dead, is the day I shall rejoice. My same mother, the woman that gave me life, tried to do evil to me. Tried to do any evil to me. For what? For what? They wouldn't mind. Yo. God. Yo, they say God answer everybody prayer. God don't answer mine. God answer my prayers. Trust me, a wicked ass fucking woman, she wouldn't mind. This woman wouldn't mind to see me sell my and give her the money. This woman, yo, God don't answer my prayers. God don't can answer my prayers. Trust me. You know how long I've been praying? You know how long I've been asking God to take this woman out my life? You know how long I've been praying? You know how long I've been asking God to take this fucking woman out my life? God don't answer my prayers. Yo, this woman leave from Bahamas. This woman leave in the club in Bahamas. Come to America to me. To with me. As if she haven't up my life already. As if she haven't up my life already. Yo, God, you don't answer my prayer. I've been praying and asking God to remove this woman. Remove this woman. If it's a gunshot, if it's a serial killer, anything, just remove this woman out of my life. Just remove this woman out of my life. Yo, God, yo, the day this woman die is the day me I gonna rejoice. I'm gonna be so happy. I'm gonna jump for joy. This woman is so wicked. This woman, when this woman see that she can't hurt me, she turn on my 2-year-old little girl and my 6-month-old son. This woman so, this woman so wicked. And when I tell people, they don't believe me. Yo. God, you don't answer my prayer. You answer everybody prayer, but you don't answer my. Yo, it's all good. It's all good.
Ah, boy, me I tell you, me can feel her pain, you know. We can see that she really take it to her heart, you know. And whatever it is, whatever the situation is where our mother put her through, I just hope them resolve it. Because, you know, nobody no need fear stress over things right now during this time. We have a pandemic going on. You know, we don't need fear worry about family issues right now. You know, somebody just hope that she and her mother work out whatever issues are going on. Or if it can't be fixed, then, you know, she go fear we, the mother go fear we, and them just, you know, communicate with one another. You understand? Because in some cases, that's the best way to solve an issue. You know, everybody just go them own way and just forget that the next person exists, even if it's a mother and daughter situation, you know, because clearly this girl here have some serious hate for her mother. You know, you hear the girl say, when the day come when she get the news, say her mother is no longer around upon the face of this earth, it will be the day when she will rejoice. For hear a child say that about their mother, you know, boy, it must be really bad in the people. You understand? Because a mother supposed to love them child and a child supposed to love them mother. You understand what I say? So if here a child really said that, and boy, sweetie, boy, I tell you, I see people are comment and I say, God don't answer these kind of prayers and stuff like that, you know. But it's not even about God answering these kind of prayers, you know. It should never even reach to the point where she has to be asking for these kind of things to begin with, right? So whatever the mother do, you know, mommy, please just stop, man, you know. please just stop. Because you should say, mommy wouldn't even mind if she go sell her body and bring the money come give her. Me I tell you the truth, that's how some mother stay for real. Some mother also then stay, then we pimp out their own pitney. Not saying that the mother ya do that, but me just a base off of what she say in the video. Watch out, man, people. Talk to me down in the comment section, because as you know, me always tell you, your opinion matters. I'm out.
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable.